So Turbo has been recently picking back up. If you are looking at the market, they're kind of getting better, and Turbo is also one of the tokens that has been doing better. In the weekly, it is up around 11-12%, and again in the daily it has been doing good as well. So we're going to be taking a look at an update on how Turbo has been doing recently and what the future of Turbo is looking like. So before we do start with the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen looking at Turbo, and it's currently up around 12% in the 7 days. Again, we could see if we look at the low to the high, it's probably more like 15% in the 7 days. Daily, not doing too much, almost breaking even, just up around a half of a percent. It did go higher in the middle of the day to about 0.2039, but again, not too much. But weekly, we are doing a lot better. We did go all the way down to 0.2033. But went back to 0.2039. So again, not too much, but again, it's still better than what it was doing before. Monthly, we are still down about 11%, but we are kind of coming back up. If we actually take a look at the graph over on Dex Screener, we could see overall it's not looking too bad. It's still trading in this kind of range that we have been taking a look at for a decent amount of time, and we could see it has done this before. Actually, it has this done multiple times, but most of the times it has hit this range. It has bounced back, as we have looked at earlier. We could see most of the times it has hit this range. We could see once right here, twice, 3 times, 4, and then all of those times it has bounced up from this range to this next kind of range. But again, it didn't do that last time it did hit this range. We could see the last time it hit this range, it was kind of sticking around there for almost a little over a month actually, which wasn't too great to just see this kind of consolidating. But again, it had to happen, and then it did actually go break below this range, which we had never seen before. And again, this time after it did break below, it went it shot up, it had the crazy pump, and we had about a 434% pump in less than a month, which was absolutely crazy to see for Turbo. So more than a 5x within just about less than a month, about 3 weeks, and it has kind of corrected back from that. It has come back to this kind of safe range. If we take a look at this wick that we could see, it wasn't really a wick because it was some quick transaction, but this is more like the top of that Turbo hit. If we look at from the top to the bottom, it did come back about 54%, and at the current price it is up down about 41%. So again, not too bad. It's basically correcting after the huge pump it had, about more than a 5x, so which is necessary. Again, it is taking a little bit longer though, so hopefully it does kind of get back up, pick up its speed. And if we actually take a look at what the community is saying, 91% still bullish on Turbo. We could see Turbo ready for the next breakout. Turbo testing its local resistance after a strong upward rally. Consolidation near the top with the higher lower suggest bulls are preparing for a breakout above 0.203855. So we could see it's retesting that range again, and we could most likely break that range. We could see Turbo to the moon. What a beautiful morning to lock in profit for Turbo. Something's cooking here. Turbo's quiet gold. So again, a lot of community is actually bullish on Turbo right now. Let's unite and rocket Turbo past 1 cent. Watch it reclaim all-time high, then go to 15 cents or be part of it or whatever. Turbo time, Turbo, just a matter of time. We could see next target, people are voting for really high numbers, and we could see most of the community is bullish on Turbo. They're all saying pump Turbo to the next price. So all of this momentum could actually lead to something happening within Turbo. If we look at the rest of the market, it is actually doing pretty decent. Bitcoin's up 2.35 in the weekly. Ethereum is up 7% in the week. So we are doing a lot better on the weekly chart right here. We can see Bitcoin is up to almost new all-time highs, which is really good. But again, hopefully we could see that all-time high happening very soon on Bitcoin. And if all-time high on Bitcoin is happening, we wouldn't really likely see any altcoins pumping like crazy, because again, most of the focus is mostly on Bitcoin when it is doing such things. So when Bitcoin comes down a little, we can expect more of the altcoins and meme coins kind of starting to pump again. So we have to wait for Bitcoin to calm down. But as of now, it's not doing really too bad, but it's just not pumping like it's supposed to. But again, that comes when altcoin season starts, which will hopefully start very soon. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take another look at Turbo, what it is doing in the market right now. So hopefully it does keep this up, and hopefully we could see that bounce back to higher levels very soon. So we'll obviously keep you updated. If you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.